Hello everybody. So today I will talk about finance. The topic today is about find the simple interest and the amount. So now I will show you how to answer. We have I equal to B or T. B that's about principal. R is about the interest rate. T that's about the time. We know that this is about 2 months. This percentage they use about 4 years. So if we want to find the interest rate for the month, so we need to divide by 12. So we have this number for the principal. We put this one on here. Multiply by 9%. Divide by 12. Then we multiply by number 2. So we can find the total interest in here. That's about 130.5. And now the next one, we need to find the amount. So about the amount in here, we have B plus I. The principal, we have this one. The amount, that's the interest, that's about this one. And then we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.